Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your Chrome browser faster to improve productivity. Now let's get started. In order to do this, we are going to be making use of an application which is Jet Cleaner. This is it on my screen, Jet Cleaner. So the link to download this application is in my description box. Before we get started, let's open our task manager to see how much memory our Chrome occupies. So this is our task manager here, showing here. So from here we could see that Chrome occupies 105.4 MB of our memory. So in order to improve productivity and make our Chrome faster, let's try to reduce the memory space it occupies. So to get started, we'll run this Jet Clean application. Uncheck everything that was checked. So we want it to clean our RAM for us. We are going to check it. Then the Google Chrome is an application that wants it to clean for us. Check the app clean. Click on the app clean. Then since we are not making use of Firefox, if you also want it to clean your Firefox, you can check it here to clean for you. But we are not doing that. That's what we are interested in right now. So we are going to check our Google Chrome here and then click on scan now. Then click on OK. Optimize your memory to increase the click on repair. So these are the things we are trying to clean up from our memory. Stop. So the problem has been fixed. One useful extension that we'll be making use of is Extensity. I already have it installed here. The link to download the extension is in my description box. So from here, these are all the Google extensions that we have, which may be taking space on our Google Chrome. The essence of this extension is to enable us disable some extensions and enable them, or better still, to hibernate some extensions that will not be needed. So I'm not making use of desktop for Instagram. You disable it. Pinterest, disable. Let's disable all these extensions and see how much space our Chrome. Going back to our task manager, we'll see how much space our Chrome occupies. It has already reduced. So to enable the extensions back, you can go back to Extensity and enable everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, turn on the notification button and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.